Hello everyone. In this video, let's unbox the AUTOTOOL SM multifunction diagnostic tool. On the screen is the box of the SM version. Now, let's open the device box and see what's inside. First, here is the main AUTOTOOL SM device. Battery power supply clamp cable. Main connection cable. Odometer adapter plus cable. 12 volts power adapter. "33-pin smart tape programming cable. 20-pin smart tape programming cable. 21-pin smart tape programming cable. Yamaha smart tape programming cable. Diagnostic cables for various brands. Yamaha. SYM. Honda. Piaggio. Battery testing cable. Connection support cable.